Hey, bonus material. Remember this piece here? I don't know if you remember or not. I might not have shown you, but here was the old piece. When I tried to undo these, this was all rusty on the backside, and different things were coming out of here when I was beating down on here trying to get this off. And I tried to undo these screws. See this screw? It's still there. Why? Because it rusted and snapped right off. Did the same thing with that one. I thought, oh brother, how am I going to fix that? Well, I went to the store and I got this piece here. And if you notice, there's one screw in the middle. And see, here's a tip for you. Just because this one had two screws, I went to the store to think, how am I going to fix that? Because this is what I wanted to show you. The screws that stripped off, that broke off, were right down in here, and I was thinking, and this is plastic, by the way, and I thought, okay, how am I going to get a new one here? I was going to have to raise it up a little bit, pre-drill some other holes up higher, clean this off because this had rust on it and stuff, and I could have still made it work with a new one with two screws. But when I went to the store, they didn't have the one with the two screws. They had one with just one screw. I thought, oh, slick. That'll be even better, because then I could line this up here, pre-drill two little holes into the plastic. I got different screws for that, and then I could angle that and still make it straight and put this in. Okay, and that's how I fixed that. And you know, you can check yours at home. Yours might be slightly different, you know, but that's how I was able to fix this one here. I got this to be all nice and clean, and that just tightens up in the middle. And there's two slots here where the water comes up and then it goes and dumps out of the drain. So I'll line that up. I'll get back in the tub. Here's the middle of it. And I'll have to slide that over a little bit, tighten that just a smidge like that. And now I got this brand new, and we got the spout on here brand new. And check out my videos. I've got it all shown on there, what we were doing before. On the other video, I showed you how to take this apart. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.